Hello my good people, it's your boy the Empress One, the dancer, the what let me not just finish. So today before I continue, the way Mkrugenzi always say, if you see Mesh in the building, he know he got coffee. Yeah guys, today I'm going to educate you a bit. Do you remember the time you were in primary school? You used to see your siblings who are in high school having calculators, and you are like, brother, you are having a calculator yet you are getting 1% in mathematics. It's very normal getting 1% in mathematics in high school, and you'll always be using this thing here. In fact, this one is an FX82MS calculator. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to do quadratic equations using calculators. Quadratic equation. The ax squared plus bx plus c, that one in that form. So to start with, quadratic equation, we have 4 methods of solving quadratic equation. Actually it's 3. The first method is factorization method. Where we find the sum and the product. Then out of this thing we go find out the values, or the two values of x. And another method is using the quadratic formula. And I hopefully you know how to use the quadratic formula, where it is b minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in that form, the square root part, that's now everything, that the conjugate part, that it's always very important that you need to know. Yeah, so in case this video will go, I'll show you how to go about the root, where we can have the real roots, we can have equal roots, or we can have non-real roots. Then we have use of square method, where we must find the square root. Yeah, there we only deal with square root matters. Then that's the end of that. But now today I'm going to give you a trick on how to use this thing here. You see this one, calculator, fryer. This one, actually, the moment I'll teach you how to use this thing, you love it, my friend. You love it, because there's no way you'll ever find anybody teaching you how to use quadratic, how to use calculator to work out your quadratics. I'm having a throat. Let me take my. So I'll give out a question, then I'll solve it, showing you step by step on how to use your calculator to find your values of x. Begin. In case this one will go well, I'll teach you how to the quadratic, the cubic function, the values of x. So let's go straight to the video. So guys, the first thing you need to know that the calc we're going to use is an FX82MS. So this calc is not programmable. This one is just a normal calc, like the other calcs that you always use. And I can always encourage you guys that in case you're going to do exam, get used to using this calc, the FX82MS. Don't use the other programmable one, because it might mess you. So the first thing, before using a calculator, make sure you reset your calculator. And to reset your calculator, what do? You press shift mod. Then what do? You press 3. Then is equal sign. Now your calc is fully reset. Now let me say it's back to its default settings. Yeah. So after that, now let's go to our question. Here goes the question. Okay, now there goes our question. Find the value of, solve the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. So we are going to go step by step. After which I'll show you, I'll write for you the steps in order. Yeah. So the first thing you do, I told you the first thing you do, you reset your calculator, of which we had done that. You press shift mod then 3, then is equal sign until it goes back to 0. Now this is our question. So the first thing you press mod, then you press 3, then the moment you reach there, this replay, you press it until you reach the end point. I don't know, the end point. Then again you press 3. Now we are ready. We are very, very ready. So the first thing, press alpha, then you press hype, then you put a comma. That's the very, very first thing. After that, we key in our equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. So the C shows us that we are working on value of x. So the value of x, we are going to represent it with C. So you press 2 alpha hype squared minus 5 alpha hype, then it is minus 3. Are we together up to there? After that, you see this m plus, press it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. After reaching there, you go press 0, you press shift, then you press 2. It will show you all that equation, all that value, all that inverse of x. That one now. Then this replay, press it until the end. Now our values, the values of the first x. To find the first x, you press 1, then you press equal sign. So the first value of x, is 3. Then again you pressed 0, shift 2. Press until the end. The second value of x is 2. Press 2, then press equal sign. Second value is negative 0.5. And that's how to do our quadratic equation using calculator. I hope you've enjoyed this thing, but the more you train, the more you get used to it. So continue training, practicing until you get the end. So that's how this calculator can help with this thing here, yeah. So make good use of this thing. So this one, you just use it for confirmation, guys. And that's our video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to 20k. You make me, I make you. Huh? Okurugenzi na mbaya. Yeah, so just subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Then guys, I'm having a new content very soon. I know you love it. It's called Raw and Rough. So get ready. Yeah, let's push it. For now, let me make myself, let me bodybuild myself, guys. Yeah, so that's our video. Thanks for now. Adios, muchachos. Peace.